Delhi Crimes, again, expectations. People, love this show. Like I said, there's no one who says कि हाँ ठीक ही थी, लोग रुकते हैं, देखते हैं, वो time commitment होता है. We have 2 new people who have come in. One I already hate. The other one I'm trying to figure out what I feel for her.
Hate. No, excuse me. Let her make up her own mind.
अरे it's a compliment. अच्छी compliment ले लो.
But Shayani and whom I want to start with you too. Did the gang, the OG gang, bully you guys?
No, quite the opposite. Yeah,
they bullied us. In fact, our only complaint was we didn't shoot enough.
Yeah.
We didn't shoot enough because we had separate dunyas. So, and then I remember this one day, no spoilers, which was a big sequence. All of us were together, and that night was the best night of the shoot because we were just faffing. And Tanu would be like, chalo, shot ready, or somebody would come and be like, ha, 1 second.
How much popcorn was eaten?
Lots of popcorn, moongfali was eaten.
Yeah.
You also got something, na? What was that?
Everybody's
Makhana you had.
जो भी है लाओ,
Maggie or something.
sitting in the middle of nowhere in the night and thusoing and faffing.
Yeah, it was the best, and and we have lots of pictures, also fun pictures from that night. But
which
and
are
we
all
were supposed to be in this
spoilers.
intense cool
Yeah.
लगा हुआ है, और हम लोग मस्ती कर रहे हैं. But I think all of them were so welcoming and so warm, and I think, and I speak for both of us, I think they were just,
They were incredible.
they were just incredible, and I think a fan of the show. Fan of all of them individually as actors because they've like really done some exceptional work. But also nice to now really call them friends and make something really incredible together.
I was literally counting my scenes ki acha aur ek din bacha hai Rasu ke saath and Rasu ke like, oh, Shefali and I unfortunately did not have, and I kept hoping that just put us together, like just something. Sir and I literally were trying to improvise and create scenes.
One bit.
That could
I like that. I think एक conversation होनी ही चाहिए. मैं ही सवाल पूछ लेता हूँ.
Yeah, so it was amazing.
She was unfortunately just stuck with me.
Not unfortunately at all. हम लोग last scene shoot कर रहे थे. और हमारे पास जो और भी लोग थे ना, one of the guards, bodyguards was, this guy who was playing the bodyguard. I overheard him saying, we were getting ready and this whole container and things were happening, and he was telling the other girls, he's like, हाँ एक दिन मिलेगा vanity, अभी तो नहीं है. And it's something that I think of since that day, because and that day like it really made me feel extremely grateful because हमारे पास भी नहीं था एक दिन vanity, but एक ख्वाब था, मतलब वैसे नहीं सोचा था, but एक उम्मीद थी और हो गया. पर क्योंकि हम सब लोग वहीं से आते कि कुछ लेके नहीं आए हैं,
कुछ नहीं था,
all of us, right? So the fact that we were still able to take that one little step after the other, one foot in front of the other, and still today have a single vanity and write those things in the contract. And I really, I remember that night when I made a wish for him. I was like, someday I really hope he can, and all these people can. Because, those are little things that matter, man.
Basically, तो वहाँ जब सेट पे पहुँचते हैं, सब कुछ होता है, तो सारा याद आ जाता है, ऐसे उसी जगह पहुँच जाते हैं उस दुनिया में. लेकिन मेरा एक बड़ा खुजली वाला शर्ट है मेरे पास, मेरे भूपेंद्र के पास.
खुजली वाला शर्ट?
मतलब वो पहनता हूँ तो हमेशा खुजली होती है मुझे.
Really? You've kept it?
नहीं वो है सेट में ना.
Oh, उनके पास भी फर्स्ट सीजन से है.
वो मुझे बड़ा याद दिला देता है, भूपी हो जाता हूँ मैं.
So खुजली वाला shirt, you mean it's uncomfortable to wear? That's what.
No, literally you get
खुजली. बहन की खुजली.
कुछ उसमें है ऐसे.
Okay.
रुई का.
बस मैं ये कोशिश ये रहती है कि वो कंटिन्यूटी में ज्यादा ना फंसे.
और पहले दिन
ऐसे वाला सीन हो जो एक बार में हो जाए.
खुजली.
और फिर जब आपका किरदार इनके सामने खड़ा, Tanuj, at this point I want to come to you because you have this very Buddha expression right now when they all were like, we were chatting.
Buddha.
Oh, Buddha. Oh, sorry.
Uma, see, look at you.
Chabi.
But it could be Buddhu.
You can't call him that. Only we get to.
When you have a bunch like this, work becomes easier, or it's tough because like they come up with great ideas, they want to improvise. There's just so much that you have to manage and handle.
Well, yeah, you sometimes feel like a zoo. You manage a zoo. But this is nothing short of a gift to work with actors like this. It makes it 100 times easier. I don't work. I just say action, cut, and we got it. And because my work was done when I did the casting actually, and we luck. I mean, I didn't get everybody, but you win in casting. I think in these kind of situations, and beyond that, yeah, when you have actors like this, they have instincts. They know their characters. You set up scenes. You set up scenarios. You know the point of a scene, what has to happen. You know the logic, the reasons, the hard facts that have to come across in the show.
Yeah.
But after that, they need to come in and fill in the characters. And if they own it themselves, that's what makes it feel real and present.
Yeah.
That's what makes performances jump out of the screen. If I'm sitting here, no, raise your eye. Like too many directors, I feel, micromanage their actors or have very fixed ways of seeing scenes, not have the flexibility to understand what an actor's seeing. I hope that I provide a space where I give them structure, but they're able to actually act on what they know their characters need to do, which is going to be far better than something prescribed.
So you're not the sort of director who will enact a scene and then
no.
the
love to.
relief of these actors.
I'm going to say this on camera. I'm sure I speak for all actors. We hate those kind of directors.
Yeah.
Matlab, please, actors are not
हमें क्यों
walking,
लिया है
talking
भाई
props.
अगर करके दिखाना है तो
I've had
Yeah.
with 2 directors,
I've
and I was
also
like,
had, and I was
I've
like,
had
भैया ये
one.
तो नहीं हो पाएगा.
Yeah,
आप ही
yeah,
कर लीजिए, please.
Amazing. No, but I want to thank you guys. You know, we do promotional interviews, but this was such a rich discussion. Thank you.
it's used
No, but really, thank you. And I want to say I have a personal connect with Delhi Crimes because यहाँ पे 3 तो superwomanias बैठी हैं. And Shayani, I can tell you next year it's going to come to you because जो superwoman होता है वो Delhi Crimes से कहीं ना कहीं जुड़ ही जाता है.
Oh, like that. Little plug.
But really, thank you so much. I've just seen the initial few episodes, already hooked to it. But thank you for this conversation. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Stuti.